Hi, I'm Alex. Let's learn English together.
Are you ready? Let's start learning.
Hello, my name is Alex. Hi, nice to meet you. Hello, Alex. Nice to meet you too. Welcome to the office. Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here. Which team are you from, Alex? Oh, I am from the marketing team. I work on social media and content. That's great! We work closely with the marketing team. Excuse me, can you help me with this? Hi, I'm new here. Of course, no problem at all. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. Just ask anytime. You're welcome. Just ask anytime.
I would like coffee, please.
Oh, sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, please. Milk and 1 sugar. What? What do you recommend?
Our cappuccino is very popular. B. We also have fresh pastries.
That sounds great. I'll take a cappuccino, please. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a nice day. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
We started.
I'm a bit new here, and I don't know the streets very well.
Oh, no problem.
Stand. You go straight down this road, then take the second left. You will see the train station on your right.
Thank you much. Thank you very much. That's very helpful. Thank you very much. That's very helpful. Hello. Could you take me to this address, please? Here is the map on my phone. Sure. Do you want to go by the fastest route or the scenic route? The fastest route, please. I'm running a little late.
No problem. Sit back and relax.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the airport? I want to make sure I catch the right one.
Z, you can take bus 25 or bus 30.
Bus 25. Bus 25 is faster, but bus 30 has fewer stops.
Great, thank you.
I will take bus 25 then.
Hello, I would like to book a table for 2, please. So, is there any availability for tomorrow evening?
Hello. Yes, we have a table at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m.
Which time would you prefer?
7 p.m., please. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Your table is reserved. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.